Have you ever encountered a deep purple solution that cleanses wounds, purifies water, and even controls odor? That's potassium permanganate, a substance whose brilliance lies not only in its color but also in its versatility. While many people recognize it from a first aid kit, its applications extend far beyond what most would expect. Potassium permanganate, PMO4, is a powerful oxidizing agent. Traditionally used in medicine, agriculture, water treatment, and even survival kits, this compound offers surprising benefits in both everyday life and emergency scenarios. Despite its intimidating chemical name, it's a highly useful, and sometimes life-saving, substance when used correctly. In healthcare, potassium permanganate is commonly used for treating skin conditions. Its antiseptic properties make it ideal for managing eczema, fungal infections like athlete's foot, and weeping wounds. A diluted solution applied through soaking or compress helps dry out affected areas, reduce inflammation, and kill bacteria and fungi. This makes it an invaluable asset for both home remedies and clinical use. But its utility doesn't end at skincare. Potassium permanganate plays a key role in water purification, especially in areas with limited access to clean water. Just a few crystals can oxidize organic impurities and neutralize harmful pathogens, making water safer to drink. This quality has made it an essential item in disaster relief and outdoor survival kits, where access to clean water can be unpredictable. In agriculture and aquaculture, potassium permanganate is used to disinfect tools, equipment, and even fish tanks. It helps eliminate algae, parasites, and bacteria without harming aquatic life when used in controlled quantities. Farmers also use it to treat seed-borne diseases and sterilize soil, supporting crop health and sustainable practices. Another lesser-known application is odor control. In waste management and industrial settings, potassium permanganate neutralizes foul smells by breaking down odorous compounds. Its oxidative strength makes it a silent worker in places where cleanliness and hygiene are non-negotiable. It's important to note, however, that potassium permanganate must be used with caution. In its undiluted form, it can cause burns or tissue damage. Accurate dilution and responsible handling are crucial for safe application. Always follow expert guidelines and safety precautions when using it in any form. In a world where we often seek complex solutions, potassium permanganate reminds us that sometimes, the simplest elements can have the widest impact. Did you ever imagine this vibrant purple crystal could be so essential to health, hygiene, and survival?